Hello guys, Adam here. Today a special episode of the radio hacking, and I have purchased some second-hand Raspberry Pi, as you can see right here, and this device I'll be using to replicate any kind of radio frequency, for example these garage keys, one of my own, and to do such thing, you of course need a Raspberry Pi. This is a Raspberry Pi 3 version B with connected antenna for the particular frequency that you are going to replicate. And this is connected to GPIO number 4 port. And other thing is that you need a USB RTL SDR tool to first to record the communication that you want to replicate with some kind of antenna. This is a RPSMA antenna. And that's basically all. So you also need to know the frequency that you are going to replicate. And for this presentation, to show you that I'm not faking you, I'll be using a laptop with the Windows and the SDR Sharp tool, which is also having a RTLSDR connected, which will be only used to show you the transmission on particular frequency and how this smart device, this smart application on the Raspberry Pi, the one from here, how this application can replicate any kind of signal. For example, this tool of course can be used to perform a car rolljam attack. So you were asking me how to do it, and now I will show you how to do it, but you shouldn't do it, okay? Okay, let's switch on this Raspberry Pi unit, and then I will remotely log on to it. Okay guys, so I have now this Raspberry Pi 3B up and running, and I have this RTLSDR dongle connected. Of course I have my PC, and I showed you this application that we'll be using. This is Raspberry Pi TX, and this PC is also equipped with the USB RTL SDR dongle, so that will be used just to show you that I'm not faking, and my car keys and garage keys. Okay, so let's now begin. So when installed, this application resides in some directory named RPITX, so probably you will have it like this. So you can first easy test it, but I will not be doing this. So the other useful command that we'll be using today is RTL menu. You have also run it as a root. Okay, so first of all, before you try to record any information, you will need to know basically on what frequency is it transmitting. And for example, my car keys, as you can see, it is transmitting on the frequency 433.770. If I press this button and if I tune directly to the frequency, you will see how the transmission looks like. Yeah. So this is the one. So first of all, you need to use a PC and RTLSDR dongle to find out what's the frequency you are going to replicate. So in my case, this is the one. Okay. And right now, you see it? I'm pressing and it's transmitting. So this is my car key. Okay, and now we go to this RTL menu tool, and we put the frequency we want to record. So we can get it from here. That is the one. I'm just ensuring that's the one correctly. this doesn't really matter, but we can, for example, record with gain 45, and the transmitting frequency should be the same. So in our case it is this. Let's check once again. Yes. Okay, and now you have several options. You can record, play, and you can make a transponder, so something that will receive and transmit at the very same moment, but we'll be doing a record. Okay, and now I will record, and I will press the button to record this. You can hear the voice from the SDR chart application on the PC. Now I stopped. Okay, so we have it recorded now, and just to show you that I will not be pressing this button anymore, I will put the play option on the RTL menu. Okay, this is how it recorded. As you can see, I'm not pressing any button. It transmits the data, but with the slight, I would say, offset. We can play back once more. As you can see, I'm not pressing anymore. The RPITX, the Raspberry Pi transmitter, is transmitting this data. So I'm not cheating you, and my PC is getting this data from the air, and you can see the transmission on the SDR hub. So once more, maybe the whole procedure once more. Okay, so first of all, I will record. I will record my my key. I'm pressing record and pressing the button, first record. Okay, it will be sufficient. Now I'm not pressing any button, as you can see, and I will switch to the terminal and make a play. Okay, you can see recorded signal, and now it is replayed by the RPITX. Okay, so in general you can use this tool, you can use this RPITX to make a car hack attack by recording the car key signal and then playing it back over a particular frequency. So it's cheaper than using such stuff like, I don't know, maybe Yardstick 1 or HackerF. You can do it right now in the cheapest method on Raspberry Pi. So remember this project name, RPITX. So that's the one that you should be looking for, and it will give you all that you need. It's pretty easy to use. It has kind of, I would say, GUI, and it's very, very useful. You can transmit every frequency from 5 MHz up to 1500 MHz. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed the video, please leave me a like and subscribe my channel. I'm gonna to show you many awesome things in the future. Thanks very much, and bye bye.